Hello kids, my name is Debbie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we will color pictures of starfish and animals that live in the ocean. Watch until the end. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Okay. Who hasn't been to the beach? If you have ever been to the beach, you are already familiar with this animal. In this picture, there are 3 animals. The first is a shellfish. The second is a sea snail. The third is the biggest starfish. Okay, these are the water bubbles. Let's just give them a nice color. Then we continue to give the bullets on the starfish's body a colorful color too. By the way, friends, did you know that starfish have a unique way of eating? The bottom of the starfish is where the animal's mouth is located. The most common starfish foods are seaweed, sponges, oysters, clams and mussels. Starfish also eat injured or sick fish if possible. When eating oysters or shellfish, for example, starfish will use their feet to open the shell. After the starfish's mouth opens, its stomach protrudes and is pushed into its prey's shell. And friends, there is another new fact about starfish, namely that starfish have a protective shield. A sneaky fact about starfish is that the shield is a stiff shell that has a rough texture, even thorny, depending on the species. Starfish have a azeotropic layer of calcium carbonate with tiny spines that deter fish, birds, and even sea otters from attacking them. That's it, my friends. Facts about starfish. Now we continue coloring. We color the sea snail brown, then we also decorate the shells. There is also another interesting fact that shellfish do not have brains. But even though they don't have a brain, that doesn't mean that shellfish can't live their lives well. Shellfish will coordinate their entire body using their nervous system. Now we are coloring the shells. What do you think about the color of this shell? We gave it a unique color, so it stands out. Who here likes to eat shellfish? Shellfish are an interesting food. Small in size, but rich in nutrition and taste. Okay, friends, this is the last shell that we will color. Next, we will color the starfish yellow. Then we will continue to color the ocean. Stay here and watch this video. While waiting to decorate, I will also tell you about the third animal, namely sea snails, which do not give a brown color. Sea snails are the general name for slow-moving marine gastropod mollusks, usually with visible outer shells, such as whelk or abalone. They share the taxonomic class gastropods with snails, being distinguished from snails primarily by the absence of a visible shell. There are also snails that are kept at home, and there are also snail houses that are usually used as home decoration or children's toys. Okay, that's the fact that 3 animals are drawn. How do you like my explanation? If you like the comments, please give useful input. And now we enter the final color, namely coloring the sea as usual. I give it a gradient blue color. Okay, that's it for now. I hope this video is useful for friends. All friends,